Good morning children, welcome back in the second video of chapter 2, that is safety and health. In the previous video we already studied that how we should take care of ourselves, while outdoor safety, water safety, fire safety, food safety. Now in this video we will study about communicable diseases. Diseases which can spread to a healthy person by an infected person or animals are called communicable diseases. The diseases which is spread from an infected person to a healthy person are called communicable diseases. Some of the common communicable diseases are and their causes are discussed here in this chapter. Now recently in the present scenario you all must be aware that the COVID-19 coronavirus, that this is also a communicable disease which is spreading widely all over the world from an infected person to a healthy person. Now the first disease is typhoid. Typhoid fever is a bacterial disease caused by contaminated food and water. It causes continuous fever for 3-4 weeks and abdominal pain. The person feels pain in the stomach, in the abdominal region, and fever continues for 3-4 weeks. It is caused by contaminated food and water, infected food and water. If we consume, then this typhoid disease is caused. It is also called enteric fever. Every year around 6 lakh people die because of typhoid. Eating and drinking clean food and water play a key role in protection against typhoid. We should avoid eating food that is contaminated. We should avoid eating food that is kept uncovered, and we should drink safe water, clean safe water. Then only we can protect ourselves from this disease. Next is diarrhea. Diarrhea is a disease of the stomach causing an upset stomach and loose motions. It is caused by contaminated food and water. In India, diarrhea is the major public health problem, and children under the age of 5 are most affected by it. If left untreated, it can be fatal. It causes continuous loss of water from the body. Therefore, ORS, that is oral rehydration solution, must be taken along with medicines in diarrhea. This is also a serious problem, a common disease caused due to contaminated food and water, and it mostly occurs in the months of April, May and June during summer season. When the summer starts, at that time it mostly occurs. Continuous loose motions takes place, due to which the body is dehydrated, and to recover this loss of dehydration we should take oral rehydration solution, that is ORS. It comes in the packets and is easily available on medical shops to recover the loss of water. The next is cholera. Cholera is also known as Heja in Hindi. Cholera is a bacterial disease caused by contaminated food and water. India has large number of cases of cholera every year, as safe drinking water is not available to all. Occurrence of watery stools is a major symptoms of cholera. Both adults and children are affected by it. It is fatal for life if left untreated. Along with loose motions, vomitings are also there, and this is really fatal if it is left untreated. Cholera. Then next is malaria. Malaria is caused by a parasite called Plasmodium that is carried by female Anopheles mosquito. The malaria is caused by a parasite called Plasmodium, which is carried by a female Anopheles mosquito. So the causative organism of malaria is Plasmodium, and it is carried by female Anopheles mosquito. Malarial fever is characterized by chills, fever, headaches and vomiting. Spread of malaria can be checked by destroying breeding grounds of mosquitoes in our surroundings. These mosquitoes multiply in the stagnant water. So it is our duty not to let water store near our houses. These are puddles and containers with stagnant water. These mosquitoes breed in stagnant water, so we should keep our surroundings clean. There should not be water stored or stagnated near our houses. The next is influenza. Influenza is called flu in short. It is a viral disease which is found in all parts of the world. It is of different types like swine flu and bird flu. If spreads over a large population in a short period of time, especially during rainy season. If influenza can be any type of flu, that may be swine flu, bird flu, etc. Cold, cough and high fever are the main symptoms of flu. Proper medication, plenty of fluids and adequate rest are important in curing flu. All of these diseases can be prevented by eating healthy food and maintaining hygiene. Healthy food, good eating habits, regular exercise, and proper rest. Children, underline this line. Healthy food, good eating habits, regular exercise, and proper rest and sleep are the keys to good health. Healthy habits, I am repeating, healthy food, good eating habits, regular exercise, and proper rest and sleep are the keys to good health. So nowadays we are suffering from a severe communicable disease, that is corona. It is also spreading from infected person to healthy person rapidly. So children, it is my request to you all to take necessary precautions, stay at home and make yourself safe. Thank you.